Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Brighton, an IHG hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Brighton, an IHG hotel is offering accommodations in Brighton. The property is located 20 miles from Ann Arbor Hands-On Museum, 21 miles from Hill Auditorium and 21 miles from University of Michigan. The hotel has an indoor pool and a shared lounge and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Guests at the hotel can enjoy an American breakfast. Free private parking and a business center are available, as well as a 24-hour front desk. Crisler Arena is 21 miles from Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Brighton, an IHG hotel, while Yost Ice Arena is 22 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Ann Arbor Airport, 25 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.